What's up guys, how are you today? With this today tutorial with Tailwind CSS and HTML, we're gonna build a beautiful ticket card and boarding card. Just absolutely astonishing and real, feel like real. And yeah, so with these two powerful tool, HTML and Tailwind CSS, we can build such a beautiful Tailwind CSS ticket card in just a few code. Don't worry about that, it's not too complicated and so on. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and I hope you will make it to the end and watch it to the end. So before we started, please hit the subscribe button and like button if you like it, and share the video with your friends. So let's jump into our code. Today we use Tailwind CSS and HTML, yeah. And for the IDE, I use WebStorm uh, from JetBrains. It's so powerful. I know some of you might use VS Code. You can use it. It's not a difference. It's just personal preferences, you know. And alongside the WebStorm, we have Google Chrome to show our results. So let's jump in. Okay. First of all, I go through the code here. The title is so straightforward. Set the title to Tailwind CSS ticket card like this here. Okay, and the script tag, it fetched the Tailwind CSS files for us from the Tailwind CSS CDN, and it is so fast, and it's better to install it manually because we just use HTML and no JavaScript here. So let's dive in. Okay, first of all, we have a style tag here in the head tag, the class barcode here. Yeah, we have some styling here, left of 50%, and I grabbed this code because it is absolutely long, and you see. Okay, so let me finish the styling and then I will tell you what is happening here. Okay, display, we have a display inline block. Okay, nice. And transform, translate x minus 90 pixel. Okay, nice. So this class is, what is this class do is it shows the barcode. It use box shadow. You see 1 pixel, 1 pixel, 5 pixel, 1 pixel. It uses a box shadow to generate our our barcode. It is manually created, but it is hard coded, and maybe in the later video we can I can show you how to generate it dynamically, but now it created manually. See, we have all the pixels and all the 1 through 108. Yeah, it is manually created. Okay, let's dive into the HTML structure. So first of all, we have a div class and div also, and a div also here, and a div, okay, and a div, and a div, and a div, and an image tag. Okay, this image tag here, you have an image. I grab the link here. Okay, that. Okay, some guy I found it on the internet, the profile image for the alt section. Okay, and we have a tag here also that has a SVG in it. Let me grab the SVG here. Okay, after our div tag, let me see what is happening here. Yeah, okay, after the div tag we have another div in it, and also another div in it, and a span tag that we have image tag in it. Okay, let me grab the image link here, and okay, airline food with alt tag. Okay, after span tag we have a h2 tag, Air India. After div tag we have another div, that's A300. Okay, nice, we have it right there. And after div we have another div that is empty. After this div we have a div and div and a div, sorry, div and a span tag. Span tag, yeah. Okay, Monday, MO. And after the span tag we have also another span tag that is 922. Okay, and div we have a div of cock and div Kushi. Okay, nice. After this div we have another div with the image of, let me grab the image link here. We have AMG tag, and here also the airline foot. Okay, nice. And after this div we have another div, a lot of divs, you know, in HTML you have to use a lot of divs for creating a beautiful UI, you know. A span tag and a span tag here also, and okay. And after this div we have another div that is DXB, and to div Dubai. Okay, after this div and in after that we have a div and two empty divs in it. Okay, so let me see. Okay, div and a div and a span tag. Okay, flight, div Airbus 380, Airbus, yeah. And after this div we have a div class, span gate, div b3. Okay, nice. After this div we have a div of div, another span tag in it, board, and a div of 11:50 AM. Okay, we have another div and a span tag, departs, and a div of 11:30 AM. Okay, nice. And we have another div and a span tag, arrived, and a div 2:00 PM. Okay, let's move forward. So we do this, and now we structure our HTML code and then we head to the styling. Don't panic if it doesn't look like the card that I showed you earlier. We will do it in just a few seconds. Yeah, after this div we have a div that has two empty divs in it. Okay, and we have a div, another div, and a span tag of passenger, and a div Puya Cedric is my name, and my YouTube channel is named after that. Add a div and a span tag of class and div economic. Yeah, even in the tutorial I used to travel in economic, and I don't put first class here. Yeah. So just we're in a few codes we reach to the end, and sit will be div 12e. After this div we have a div, and yeah, h6 boarding pass and a div empty div. Okay, this is our HTML code structure. Let's head to the styling. So for the first div, here we have a class of flex call item center justify center minimum height screen background center background cover. Okay, then we have some CSS style. Let me show this in style. Okay, background image. Image is his URL. I just grab the URL here. Okay, nice. Let's see. We have a URL right here. Okay, let's move to another div and to next div. We have a position of absolute, yeah. Okay, absolute background blue 900, yeah. Opacity of 80 and inset 0. Okay, nice. And after that we have a class of max width medium width full edge full height full, yeah. MX auto margin auto Z10 background blue 900 and rounded 3XL. Okay, nice. So class flex and flex call, yeah, nice. A class of background white relative drop shadow 2XL rounded 3XL padding of 4 and margin of 4. Okay, nice. We have a class of flex none. For the smallest screen we have a flex. Okay, nice. We have a class of relative here, relative height of 32, width of 32, yeah. And a small for a small screen we have a margin button of 0, margin button 3, and hidden. Okay. For the image we have a class of width 32, h32, object cover, and rounded 2XL. Okay. And for the A tag we have a class of absolute yeah, and right of 2, bottom of 2, margin left 3, text right, padding 1, text small, background green 400, hover background green 500, font medium, tracking wider, rounded full, transition is in, and duration 300. Okay. So in this div we have a class of flex auto, justify, event. Okay, let's head to the next one. We have a class of flex, items, center, justify between. Justify between. Okay. In this class we have a class of flex, item center, and margin y. For the span tag we have a class of margin right 3, rounded, full, background white, and width 8, height 8. Okay, nice. So for the image tag we have a class of height of 8, sorry, and padding 1. Okay, nice. And for the h2 tag we have just one class font medium. Okay, nice. And for this div tag we have a class of margin left auto, text blue 800. Yeah, nice. So for this div tag we have a class of border, button border dashed. Yeah, nice. And border button 2 and margin y of 5. Okay, nice. We have a cool styling here. So until now we are doing great. So don't be tired, don't be bored, just focus on coding. And I know it's kind of boring, the classing HTML, but the result is so exciting. So be excited and code alongside me, and we will gain a beautiful result here. Okay, we have flex, items center here. Yeah, for the div, next div we have a class of flex and flex call. We have a class of flex auto, text of small, and text gray 400, and margin y. Okay, nice. For this span tag we have a class of margin right 1, and we don't have any classes right here. So for this div tag we have a class of width full, flex none, text large, okay, text blue 800, font bold, leading none. Okay, here, nice. And for this div tag we have a just text of small. Okay, nice here. So let's move to the next div. We have a class, sorry about that, of flex, flex cool, margin X auto. And for this image tag, you have a class. Okay, of width of 20, height of 20, and padding 1. Okay, nice. So we have a div class here, flex cool, and again also your flex auto, text XS, text gray 400, and margin y1. Okay, I have a class of margin right 1 here, and class of width full, flex none, text large, text blue 800, font bold, leading none. Okay, nice. And here we have also the class of text access. Okay, nice. So see, in these two divs we have the same classes. You can just copy and paste it. For the learning purpose, I choose to write it for you to do not copy and paste it, so you can understand what is happening here. Okay, border, we have a border of button, again border dashed, and border button 2, my 5, and padding top 5. Okay, nice here. So here we have a class of absolute rounded full, width 5, height of 5, background blue 900, margin top of 2, and left of 2. Okay, here nice. Have a nice cool designing here. So again, for this one it is the same, just the matter of the position of it. Rounded full, width 5, height of 5, background blue 900, margin top 2, and right. Okay, here nice. We have a cool design here. So let's move on. For the next section, we have a class of flex items center, margin bottom 5, padding of 5, and text small. Okay, nice. Class of flex and flex cool. Okay, and class we have a text small, and here we have a class of font semi bold. Okay, nice. And we have a class of flex cold, and margin left auto. And here we have also text small and class font semi bold. Okay, nice. Let's move on to the next one. We have a class flex items center, margin bottom 4, padding X 5. Okay, nice here. Class flex cool, and text of small. Class, we don't have class here. We have class font semi bold. Okay, we have a class here flex cool, and text small. Okay, we don't have class for this span, and this one we have a class of font semi bold. And for the right, also we have class flex cool, and text small, and class of semi text of semi bold. Okay, here we have another class, we have mx auto, and now it's done. Yeah, so let's move on to the next part. Here we have class border b, border dash, border b2, and ny 5, and pt padding of 5. Okay, here we have a class absolute rounded full, width of 5, height of 5, background blue 900, margin top of 2, and left of 2. Okay, nice. Here we have a class absolute rounded full, sorry about that, width of 5, height of 5, background blue 900, and margin top of 2, and instead of ref we have right of 2. Okay, nice. Here, so we almost reached to the end, so don't give up, just stay focused. Yeah, a class of flex items, center, padding x5, padding top 3, and text small. So we have a class of flex and flex call. Here we don't have classes, and here we have class font semi bold. Here, yeah, nice. So for this class we have a class of flex and flex call, and mx auto. Okay, and class font semi bold, and this one we have class just flex and flex call, and this one we have also a class of text semi bold. Oh, sorry about that, font semi bold. Yeah, okay, nice. Here, and I think also I misspelled here. Yeah, font. Okay, nice. So here we do that, and the last part we have flex call, padding y5, justify center, and text small. And for the h6 tag we have a class of font bold, font bold, yep, and text center. Nice. And here we use our barcode class. Let RC H14 W0 inline block. Okay, nice. We have it right there. Margin top 4 and position relative. Yeah, nice. Here we all there. So see, this is so simple, so simple, and we create a beautiful boarding card here in just a few lines of code. This is nothing so complicated or not, as you see, which is just classing, and if you practice with it you can design it like your own way, or you can use it in your real world apps, or you can have it in your portfolio that show how great is your design skills are. So thanks for watching, thanks to make till the end, and hit the subscribe button, hit the like if you like the design, or if you like the video. Yeah, it is so obvious. And if you have anything to say to me, there is a comment section below, and you can comment it for me. I can reply for you within the 24 hours. And so this is it, the ticket card with Tailwind CSS. Have a good day, and see you guys in the next tutorial.